Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Great Wall V240 stock reference number 4331. This shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 1st month 2015. There's a 4G69 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 4G69 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, flared type. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, chrome power door mirror, left hand side, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted alloy tray without any sides but with all bolts and brackets. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has a small fold on the outside edge and a couple of small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror in chrome. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. The driver's seat has a couple of cigarette burns. It has a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, single stack CD player with MP3, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.